Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta of Maggi Company, easy method. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, add the Maggi pasta, and stir gently so pieces do not stick. While it cooks, prepare the seasoning and sauce mix. Taste for doneness at 7 minutes and keep a cup of cooking water to loosen the sauce if needed. Warm up your seasoning technique by tasting and adjusting gradually while the pasta cooks. Tear open the Maggi seasoning packet and whisk it with a little reserved cooking water to form a smooth sauce. Add butter or olive oil to enrich texture and toss the drained pasta in the pan over low heat to absorb flavor. Keep tasting and adjust salt or spice to your preference for a simple, satisfying result. If you are enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe to help us make more easy cooking videos. Quick recommendation. A helpful read is the book The Simple Path to Wealth, which changes how you think about money and decision-making. It pairs nicely with learning simple life hacks like this pasta method. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you find this useful, give it a thumbs up. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your Maggi pasta hot for the best texture and flavor, and consider quick garnishes to elevate the dish. Sprinkle grated cheese and chopped parsley or basil for freshness, and add crushed red pepper if you like heat. A side salad or steamed veggies makes a balanced meal without extra fuss. Leftovers can be tossed briefly in a skillet with a splash of water to revive them before reheating and serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.